Hey guys, welcome to Acne Clear Chef. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And today I just want to jump on and show a quick acne clear recipe that I wanted to share with you. I think I got quick and acne combined together, and that's why I came up with quick. Here I just want to show you a quick recipe here I have today. This is a nice simple garden salad. All I'm using here is some spring mix. This one isn't organic, but it looked really fresh and it's what I had available. I just was kind of out on the run and just really needed something instantly. Unfortunately, Costco did not have the organic variation, which they usually do. This time they didn't, so I was kind of in a hurry and I just bought this one. Next time I will do better though, because I do try to eat as much organic. I would try to eat 100% organic, but obviously that's not always doable. So I just got some regular lettuce mix here. And again, food prices are going up, so things are a little expensive now, but I got some organic grape tomatoes that I simply cut up in half. Just cut these in half and I just threw them right in the salad. There they are. Then I have an onion. Again, I took the onion and I sliced it. I'll show you how. I sliced it like this. But I obviously was holding the onion with my right hand and left hand and cutting with my right. So obviously you want to grab it and then you want to use your right hand to chop it. So I threw some of that in there as well. Then I added some turkey sausage. That's gluten-free turkey sausage. And then I threw a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And then I topped it up with this beautiful dressing. This is Fig's gourmet dressing. It's a honey, mustard, and poppy seed. The ingredients are very good. Use sunflower seed oil, honey, mustard, and a bunch of other ingredients. A little bit of sugar too, but very, very nice. I just add a little bit for flavor, and you get a lot of healthy fats from that meal. And it's just overall a healthy meal. You want to eat more non-starchy vegetables when it comes to clearing up your skin, because too many starches in your diet can cause inflammation and can cause breakouts. So by reducing your total carb exposure and increasing your non-starchy vegetable intake, you're going to get more of a slow release carb, which is going to help kind of curb blood sugar. It's going to curb your mood. It's going to stabilize your energy levels. It's going to give you this calm, grounding energy. Combined with the fats and the oils and the meat, it's going to help you kind of give you consistent energy throughout the day. So it's a really great meal. You can always finish this meal off with some blackberries. I got some mixed frozen berries here that I just, took out of the freezer and I put into this little bucket thing, Tupperware, I don't know what the heck that's called, glass, cup, whatever, you know what I mean. I don't even know what it's called, but I put it in one of those containers and I just let it unthaw. I put it in the morning and then I'll have it for lunch, or if you want it for breakfast, you can unthaw it at night and then you can have it in the morning for breakfast, which is, I usually do both. So you can have that, and you can also have like a slice of bread. I have some organic grass-fed, I have some gluten-free toast here from the morning, which I didn't really finish because I was kind of stressed. I had a lot of things going on in my personal life, but regardless, I have some, you can see that yellow on there, that grass-fed butter. That's where all your vitamin A, D, E, and K comes from. You're getting a lot of high-quality, nutrient-dense fats from that as well. So a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of dressing and natural dressing, and then a little bit of those healthy fats. It's going to help with your skin. It's going to help with the texture of your skin, the quality of your skin. Because if you think about it, 90% of a skin cell, or 90% of a skin cell is made out of fat. I don't know if that's entirely accurate, but a lot of our cells in our bodies, I know the ones in our bodies, are made of 90% fat. But I don't know about the percentage of fat in skin cells. I will get back to you on the accurate number because I may be wrong here, but majority of your organs need healthy fats in your body, because without essential fatty acids, we begin to deteriorate and we begin to malfunction. We don't begin to properly, communicate properly. The cells don't communicate properly with each other. So it's really important to have high amounts of fat in your diet. It doesn't have to be an extraordinary amount of fat, but just a little bit. This is kind of more like a keto way of eating, but with a little bit of flexibility with the carbs. This is the way I promote my blog and my life. It's kind of like keto living, but I don't exclude the fruit. And I don't exclude the grains, I don't exclude the potatoes, but primarily it's kind of like keto with not like an absurd amount of fat. Some people just go all out super ketosis. This is kind of somewhere in between. It's kind of like a moderate middle ground where you're eating, you know, healthy fats. You're getting your non-starchy vegetables, which is, again, going to give you the vitamins and minerals. But it's also the fats are going to help shuttle those nutrients into your blood cells better. It's going to shuttle them into your skin. It's going to shuttle them into your organs. It's going to shuttle them all over your body. And you're going to get a lot of benefits from consuming those non-starchy vegetables. But as well, you're going to get a lot of benefits from the healthy fats, a little bit of healthy protein. You know, don't be afraid of protein. Just have a moderate amount. You don't have to go all out. If you're like exercising a lot, I would consider doubling your portion sizes, keeping these healthy portion sizes the same, just doubling them. So if you have one of those salads, you need two, because you can't just be like, oh, I'm going to eat more protein and carbs and forget about the non-starchy vegetables. Because a lot of people, and I know you guys are out there, you're going to be like, oh, well, I want to work out, I'm just going to add more protein and carbs. You can do that, but your health will go down because your body needs a balance of those micronutrients as well. So if you're doubling up on your calories when you're working out, oh my God, I'm spitting. Look at that, that's gross. You're also going to want to double down on your micronutrients. You can't have one without the other. So, but it's a nice way, because that way you're getting you're getting even more nutrition in your body. So your muscles, when they get filled up with glycogen, it's going to be filled up with a lot of nutrients too. So they're going to look really nice. So you're going to have nice, smooth, and glowing muscles, kind of like just a nice, healthy muscle, right? So it's really important to take care of yourself, to eat a lot of healthy fats, focus primarily on non-starchy vegetables. Don't forget about those healthy fats, and incorporate some protein into your diet. So I hope this video was helpful, and don't forget about incorporating some berries or some fruit into your diet as well. I'd highly recommend you have it at the end of your meal, and you can have a little bit of starch, like some gluten-free bread or some potato or some rice, some quinoa, anything that's gluten-free. So you want to really avoid the gluten here. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel really good about promoting this stuff on my blog here, and I'm happy to share with you. And if you want to see more of this stuff, well, you know, I'm just going to post more content. So if you want to see more content, feel free to follow me, like me, subscribe. And guys, I'll see you on the other side. I'll see you on the flip side, guys. I'll see you I'm going to see you on the other side. You know what I mean? You're going to be beaming, you know? Don't forget to eat those greens, man, because that stuff's so important. But anyways, see you on the other side. Long, awkward goodbye. Goodbye.